We're going to move on to the next slide and talk about assessed value versus real market value, and then we will be ready to have questions. And I'm going to turn that over to Cassie.
Okay, and Paula, you're still good to help me out on this one? Okay. So I hear a lot that there is often a misconception between assessed value and real market value. So let's talk about the differences between these two. So assessed value is the amount of your property that you pay taxes on. That is a determined assessed value rate that is determined by the county assessor. So we reached out to the county assessor, and the average assessed value within the Athena-Weston School District boundary is $106,590. That means half the people are more than that, and half the people are less than that. Okay, you're probably thinking, that sounds really low. Okay, so let's talk about real market value. Okay, real market value is what we all talk about when we talk about our home value. This is what we look up on Zillow. It's what we say we could sell our house for. Okay, so this is defined as the amount a property could reasonably expect to sell for as of January 1st of each year. On your tax statement, you're going to have both of these listed, assessed value AV and real market value R&V. So for an example on this, Paula has offered to share her home's assessed value and real market value.
So my real market value on my house, which I live on Van Buren, is $320,000. So if I wanted to list it, that's what I could supposedly sell my house for. My assessed value on my house is $141,000. So my amount of that I would pay on my taxes is substantially less.
Thank you. Okay, so with Paula sharing her example, the takeaway I'd like to just encourage everybody on this to do is to go look up your assessed value. So you can either do that by pulling out your last property tax statement, or you can go on the Umatilla County Assessor webpage, type in your name or your address, however you like to do it, and pull up the records that way. There just always seems to be a lot of confusion on this issue, and we just want to make sure that people are empowered with the knowledge on the difference between these so that they're making their decisions based on the accurate information.